Namaste, welcome to Gita's Kitchen. Today we will see some easy side dishes for our lunch recipes to go with rice. I am planning to make a carrot fry or a carrot poriyal and cucumber tambli. Try these two simple yet tasty side dishes for lunch today. They go very well with rice. This is a carrot fry and cucumber tambli. Heat a tablespoon of oil in your pan. Add mustard seeds, urad dal, jeera, a few pieces of channa dal. For carrot, I prefer to use green chillis. Next, I am adding in half kg of peeled and chopped carrot. And some curry leaves. Add a pinch of haldi powder and salt to taste. Just sprinkle a little bit water. Cover it and cook it over a low flame till done. So while our carrot fry is cooking, we will make the tambli instead of the regular sambar or rasam. So for that I have taken one cucumber, washed it, and we will just chop it into pieces. Peel the cucumber. So in the mixer jar, take about 2 tablespoons of fresh grated coconut, and to this add the chopped cucumber pieces. I am adding 2 green chillis, some coriander leaves, and we will grind all of this together into a paste. In a bowl, take 1 cup of homemade dahi or yogurt. Add in the ground cucumber, coconut and green chilli paste to it and whisk it all well together like this. I have added about another 1 cup of water to remove all the masala. In Indian vegetarian cooking, we have different types of curd-based gravies, like the Gujarati kadhi or even the Punjabi kadhi. We have the more korambu from Tamil Nadu, and this is a special type of more korambu, also known as like we call as a pacha more korambu in Tamil, where the buttermilk is not cooked. We just add these ingredients and mix it to the buttermilk and add a tempering to it. Let's have a look at our carrot. See, the carrots are also cooked and well done. Just add some fresh grated carrot to it. Fresh grated coconut to it, and your carrot fry or carrot poriyal is done and ready. We have not yet added salt for our tambli, so just add the required quantity of salt and give it a good mix. See, it should be dilute like this. This should be the consistency. A pouring consistency. Now for the tempering, just heat a teaspoon of oil and add some mustard seeds, jeera, 1 dry red chilli, some til, that is sesame seeds, and a few curry leaves to it. Now pour this tempering on top of the tambuli. You can also add a few coriander leaves on top. We are now ready to serve out our simple yet tasty lunch. We have our carrot fry. This is the single polished rice which I use at home. You can use whatever rice you regularly have. And we will pour out our cucumber tambli also into this. I have roasted a papad to add some crunch to it. Add some ghee to the rice. Then you can pour this tambli over the steaming hot rice and enjoy it along with the carrot fry and roasted appalam. We love to bring to you simple home style, tasty and healthy recipes which you can use in your everyday cooking and pair them with either rice or roti as the case may be. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Gita's Kitchen and we'll meet again with another interesting episode from Gita's Kitchen. Thank you.